Hey guys, welcome back to the new video. Today we will solve invalid tweets problem number 1683. What we have given over here is we have given a tweets table with the following column: tweet ID and content. Tweet ID is a primary key column, contains unique values, and content is the content for the corresponding tweet ID. Now you have to write a solution to find the IDs of invalid tweets. A tweet is invalid if the number of characters used in the content of the tweet is strictly greater than 50. Okay. Return the result table in any order. You see this example, you'll find that the second tweet, that is the tweet ID 2, has the content greater than 50 character. Its length is greater than 50. It's like 32. That's why it is an invalid tweet and it's shown in the output. What we'll do is we'll select tweet ID from tweets table where the length of content column is greater than 50. So run this query. Yeah. So get the output and the output matches with the expected output. Simple thing we have done, we have selected the tweet ID from the tweets table where the length of the corresponding content column is greater than 50. That's why we consider that tweet as a invalid tweet. That's it. Thank you.